Hello everyone, so we're going to solve another problem in our array series, and this problem is to find maximum product subarray. So in our previous problem we find the maximum sum of a subarray, and we just added the numbers and kept track of the maximum, and every time we got a sum less than 0 we reset the sum to 0. But here there is an issue because we are calculating like the product. So if every element of the array is positive, then we don't have to worry, we just return the max product. But if there is a mix of positive and negative, we have to keep track that every time two negative numbers get multiplied, they return positive, and when a negative and positive integers gets multiplied, it returns negative, right? So that will affect our product. Also, another case is a 0. If there is a 0, if we get a product of 0, everything after that will become 0, right? So there is two edge cases. One is the positive and negative numbers, and another is how to handle the 0. So here, because of the positive negative, any number that is negative now or minimum now, if another number in the array is negative, that number could become positive and maximum. So we have to keep track of both, like minimum and maximum, and then we need to calculate. And whenever we get a 0, we have to reset it to 1, and at the end we have to return the max. Another thing that know that every individual number is also a subarray, so we have to first find the max. If the max is more than the product, means maximum number of that array, the individual number is larger, we can just send that as well. So first we have to find the maximum, or let's call it, right, let result equals to math.max of nums, right? So this will find the maximum number first, so we set the result to the max. Then we have to find like let current minimum and current max, and we're gonna initiate these two ones, right? So we initiate two variables to keep track of current minimum and maximum. Now we can loop through the numbers. So like we can write a for each nums, individual is num, and then here we can find if num equals to 0, then we have to set like current min, current max equals to 1, and current min equals to 1. Now if not, let's current max equals to math.max. we have to find the num current max, then num current min, and the number itself, right? This is how we're gonna find the current max. So to not mess up, let's find it like let temp max equals to num.max, let temp mean equals to num product current mean. So now we're gonna have like, you can replace it like temp max, we can replace to temp mean and so on. Same way we're gonna calculate like current mean. I did it because if we calculate current max in our next, like while calculating, if we use current max again, the value will change and that will give us a wrong result. So it's the same thing, like temp max, temp mean, and num. So at the end, the result again should be math.max result and temp current max. At the end, we have to just return the result. I think this should solve our problem. Let's see, I already added these test cases in our test and we just have to run it. Oh, sorry, I mentioned the wrong number. Let's go to here and pass none. Let's go to this again. There we go. Our all our test cases has passed and we are good to go. Boom. So as this is the only catch here is that we have to calculate the current max and current mean for every product. The way we calculated sum for the subarray, right? Maximum subarray. Same way you have to calculate mean and max both, and to handle that negative numbers in the array. And at the end, we're gonna get the results. So thank you so much. Bye.